Hello everyone, this is Phantom2502 and welcome back to my Satisfactory Let's Play, Update 4, Episode 35. In this episode, we're going to research our industrial manufacturing and try to start getting our heavy modular frames, computers, modular engines, manufacturers set up. Not 100%, but we'll try to get those things set up. We definitely won't complete it this episode, but those are going to be the goals. So between episodes, I just waited for a bit more plastic and rubber to come in. It took about maybe 20 some minutes to come in, and we got enough to unlock things. So let's just unlock this now.
Milestone reached. The manufacturer increases production complexity. A critical look at production line logistics and efficiency is recommended during integration. The truck allows for increased efficiency in transportation, automated or otherwise. New project parts enable progress to the next phase.
Alright, let's just get the next thing in our list. Expanded power infrastructure should be next. We've already have a lot of Caterium, but getting Mark IV belts would be nice, and the fuel generator going. Alright. Let's see, hard drive. Quartz for motors isn't typically good to use higher end items for lower end things for the most part. None of these are actually any good. I guess we'll do this one. Now, I think we can actually unlock some of these things. We don't have enough quick wire. Maybe I'll do that one later then. I'll be down here after. Supercomputer probably there, and then something there. Anything else? Yeah, we just don't have the items for that. Circuit board, okay, maybe in a bit. Oh, this one maybe later as well. Gather some more black powder off screen between episodes, I guess. Obviously we're getting our rubber in, so yeah, I think maybe those two items I'll just try to gather the things between episodes. Alright, but for now let's just put another hard drive on it. Okay, so what are we going to need here? Definitely an assembler for circuit boards. Manufacturer. One for heavy modular frame, one for modular engines, and one for the computer. None of those will be at 100%, but we need 3 manufacturers for them. Let's see. Copper sheets are needed, I think, for circuit boards. I don't think I want to add in extra transport to go back and to send copper sheets over to the other end. Guess we could do could do the circuit boards on this side. But then doing the circuit boards on this side, that would mean doing the computers on this side. And that means we'd be transporting lower end items, because in the long run we're going to be able to multiply oil to make like 3 times the amount of stuff, and transporting a lot of stuff is kind of what we want to minimize. And over at the crater area where oil is, we have copper, we have iron. We could easily do that stuff locally, bring those things into like lower end items, and then ship them this way. I think that's what we'll do. So we'll need at least a mine or two, at least a smelter. I think we don't have any alternates for copper sheets and copper ingots at the moment. Alright, so I think it's 20, 40, 60. Okay, so if you do two smelters and 3 constructors, that should give you plenty of copper sheets. If anything, maybe a bit too much. Maybe just one of each for now, and then we can improve it after. Yeah. Alright, maybe even 2-1 for now. Maybe just better to organize it that way. Alright, that should get the copper sheets in. Plastic, we have 20 coming. We'll just use what we have. Heavy modular frames, that'll be built on this side because I think it's only items that we have on this side. Modular engine kind of combines a rubber with, I think, stuff. What does that combine? I think it's heavy modular frames. I think, what's modular engine? I think it's like rubber, motors, and I think heavy modular frames. I'll have to look at the recipes, I think. We'll do some investigation there. But if it's the case, as I have heavy modular frames, we're doing heavy modular frames, so over here we'll, I think, put the modular engine over here as well. Okay. And computers, which I think have plastic circuit boards. I'm not sure what else. Anyway, I think maybe that's enough stuff. Don't think we need the water extractors or anything else at the moment. Okay, let's get items. Get ourselves some motors. Yeah, heavy modular frames. Guess we don't have that automated, so. Well, we have some leaves and wooden stuff. Alright, let's just get rid of that. What do we need for this? Fine paint. Some more of these. Oh, a lot of steel pipe. Oh wow. A lot of screws too. Okay, we need quite a bit of things. Alright. Oh wow, 150 plastic? Darn, that's gonna be interesting to say the least. Alright, well, let's get the motor and a few other things, I guess. Need, what, 3,000 of this? I think it was 10 times 3,300. You know, let's just get the motor. Up. Can I get the plastic? Okay. And a portable miner, but yeah, definitely enough room for that. Get rid of the extra rotor we don't need. I think those are getting synced anyways. Get rid of that. Oh yeah, okay. Get rid of the biomass. There we go. Okay, let's see if we can get stuff in here. We need modular frames. Nope. 200. Okay, I don't think I'm going to be able to do things completely. And then pipes, we need a heck of a lot. I'll put one more of those. And then cased. Okay. The thing is, we will need a spot open for heavy modular frames themselves. I guess we'll put that away for now. Oh good, we have enough. Okay. Wasn't sure we would. I got rid of a lot of things. Portable miner, we have 2 of these. Oh, 2 inhalers. Alright, might as well get some more of those. Alright. 7 more inhalers. Okay, let's see, what do we need here? Portable miner. Alright, now belts. Definitely need some more. Should be okay, I think, on the level 1s. Level 3 conveyors, options. Don't have any copper sheets though, it's kind of weird. Oh no, we do have copper sheets here. Okay. It's definitely level 2s. No doubt about that. Get a few. Yeah, I think we should be okay. The rest of them. Okay, and our list, our shopping list is good. Okay, let's look at the hard drive. Oh, compacted coal. That's good recipe. So is recycled rubber. Plastic smart plating, not so much, but compacted coal, I think definitely need to do that because you can't do that other than alternate recipes. So let's get that one. Alright, another hard drive. Alright, I think first of all let's build and see the recipes. So if I do my assembler out here, do circuit board. Just wondering what the recipe is. So 15 copper sheets. I think one, which we're making actually right now, but we do need a supply of copper sheets to come in. Same thing with plastic. See, we can't do 30 plastic at the moment anyway. 20 max, but I don't even want to do 20 because... So I'll probably only be working this at like 10%. Yeah, okay. So it'll be a third, so we'll be using like 5 copper sheets, so we can get away with 7.5. Yeah, that'll work. Okay. That's done that. Okay. And then if we check our manufacturer and check the recipes. Oh yeah, there's a beacon we can do. Automate beacons. It's all iron stuff. That's something to do, but not at the moment. But we should, now that we have the manufacturer unlocked, yeah, we should definitely try to get a supply of beacons at some point, because we definitely have a surplus of any of these 4 items. Alright. Alright, heavy modular frame. Modular frames, 10 per minute. That's a lot of modular frames. So we only have, what, 1.5 per minute at the moment? So let's say 1 per minute, so we can run this to maybe 10%. 10% of 30 is 3. We have a surplus of 5. We can do that. Case industrial beam, 1. Yeah, we do 1 per minute. Screws, 20 per minute. That'll use up all of our screws, but I think we got enough screws that we can go at 0 for a little bit. Not the complete end of the world to not be producing any screws. We got a tons in storage. So yeah, I think running this at 10% over here would be a good idea. Alright, and then computers. It'd be nice to do this in the oil section. Circuit boards, 25 a minute. Yeah, well, how many circuit boards were we made? I think 7.5? I'm running out of the third, so 2.5. So maybe 10% on this, maybe? Okay, so we can need some cable. Well, we do have iron wire. Maybe it is better just doing it all over here. Not sure how I want to plan that. Plastic's definitely needed. Oh yeah, that's true. We're going to use half the plastic for that. Yeah, use a little bit more, I guess. Screws, definitely don't have anything over. The thing is, I kind of don't want to expand too many things over here, and long term trying to bring rubber and plastic over here for items in general I don't think it's the way to go. Alright, so it looks like we do have the recipe for iron wire, and it makes sense to use iron definitely right now for wiring cables, at least any new buildings. Alright, so we definitely need a nutter miner and a few things for the cables. And we can do screws, and I think we just got iron screw too, so we don't have to make rods for the screws. We go directly to iron ingots to screws, which is a more efficient recipe. I think we unlocked that one. Okay, so let's look at, that's 3, that's 1. Okay, so we need a little bit more, I think. Sorry if this episode's going to be probably a little bit more on the boring side, but okay. Alright, so we'll do another MK2 for iron. I'm gonna have to smelt the iron. Some iron wire. And some cable, at the very least. Yeah, I think, oh yeah, some screws. Do one more of each of those. Alright. 2 more portable miners. Okay, we should be ready for the build. 3 minutes here. Alright. Okay, let's do the heavy modular frame first. Well, actually, probably should do storage first. Be storing 3 items. That reminds me, though. What are the boundaries of this over here? Alright, and it has like 1 and a bit difference. Two, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so even here, I think coming out there, I think. Or here at the very most. I think maybe over here. Alright, so let's keep going this way then. I need rods. And we're gonna need limiters. 3 of them. Alright. That should be enough items. I think this episode's just going to be more organizing the things we need, and actually I'm kind of wondering now that episodes, I've been doing pretty much raw with a few little setups between episodes, and I'm almost wondering whether I should start giving you guys like if I do all the building of the computer setup and stuff off screen, and then kind of make maybe shorter videos of giving you guys a tour of the setup after that thing is done. I think I am going to go to that format now, because obviously the building process keeps taking multiple episodes at this point, and now that I have oil structure set up, it does make sense to do it in that format, and I think that's what I will do. So you won't see me, I think, building. We'll finish up the storage this episode. We'll end that after we have the storage up. and then I will do all this construction that we have from our shopping list off screen. And once I have that done, I will give a tour through that section and how that works. I think for hard drives, though, we'll still try to keep all of them on screen. All right, what do we need? What do we have here? Automated miner. Thing is, it's expensive using motors and stuff. I mean, it's nice to automate the miners, but I mean, it doesn't take that much to really do it manually, and it's a lot cheaper. Pure Caterium, that is a good recipe. Steel rod, that is a good recipe as well. I think getting the pure Caterium is the way to go. A lot of the pure recipes are some of the best ones, so. Alright. That there. Okay, still no petroleum coke in. That's interesting. After all this time, it's not backed up yet. Oh! Weird. As I say that, we get petroleum coke in. That was kind of good timing on that. Alright, and then of one spacing, and then they'll kind of end there, so that should probably be the last one, then we can build out that way and go on this side of things. Basically try to wrap all the items in a square, except for obviously the initial items we have over at the beginning. Logistics, smart splitter. This one will be heavy modular frames. Overflow. None. Computers. Overflow. None. And modular engine. Oh, did I even check modular engine? Oh, and we have circuit boards coming too. Ooh. Never mind, this should be circuit boards. That's an item 2 we'll have extra of. This will be computers. God, we have 4 items actually coming, not 3. Interesting. Okay. So this will be the free one. We'll come about halfway there. Guess we can have there'll be a little bit of a gap here anyways. Yeah, we'll do one more on this side and that's it. Got a bunch of things there to do. Modular engine will be this one. Oh. Interesting. Alright. So that'll be the last one there anyways. For now, that'll do that. Oh yeah, and we need another one of those. One more AI limiter. I'm gonna have to get more of that stuff off screen. A lot of things to do off screen. This will be the modular engine to the left. Overflow and none. Okay, those are the 4 items we'll be getting this term. Let's look at the manufacturer because we never looked at the recipe for the modular engine. Alright, motors we have coming in at 0.5, so let's say maybe 10%, 0.2 a minute. 1.5 rubber, we definitely have plenty of rubber. And smart plating, we have up to 2 minutes max, but it'd be probably a bit less than that. Yeah, we can do that. The thing is, with the smart plating, thing is, motors and smart plating are kind of getting done over here, and I don't really want to make like a completely new setup for no reason. Or maybe I should, because it's going to take 2 a minute anyways, and you're going to want like overflow. I want an overflow of every single item in the game as I'm making this setup. So maybe it is worth doing smart plating over. Okay, yeah, I think we'll do this one over in the oil section and just set up a bunch of iron stuff for it, but it's going to be setting up a lot of iron. As I said, I think we're going to do all this setup off episode. It'll be a long off episode, and I will show you guys the results. And maybe just showing the results off will be like a shorter episode. Alright. Alright. Hold on, did I delete the manufacturer? Yeah. Oh yeah, it's true, we got all these things without conveyors. Yeah, I got rid of it. Okay. Okay, I've got to get all these things done. And we'll do one more hard drive. So I want to show you guys the hard drives each time, so even though I'm going to do a lot between episodes, I think I'm going to leave the MAM alone. section. It's still just... okay. Just a spiked rebar. Alright, 30 seconds. Let's just wait this one out. Steel screw, that's not any good. Bolted frame. What are normal frames made out of? I think it's rods and reinforced iron plates. Definitely not at 5 a minute, that's for sure. Yeah, what's the current recipe at? Seismic Nobilis is the other one, but that involves using quartz crystal for... it's a more expensive item, it's unnecessary. Usually those are worse recipes. Steel for screws, no. I think bolted frame's the way to go. Current modular frame, I think, is 3... there's a 2 and 12. 12 rods. 12 times 4 is 48. I think there's like 2 frames a minute, not 5. Yeah, I'm gonna go with the bolted frame. I don't know if it's better, but it looks better. Alright. Another hard drive. Oh yeah, this Phantom 2502, thank you for watching my Satisfactory Update 4 Let's Play. Between episodes, I'm going to get the circuit boards, the computer, heavy modular frame, and modular engine stuff set up, and everything in the background needs to go to it. Computers, circuit boards, and modular frame are going to be set up in the oil area. Heavy modular frame is going to be set up over here in this area. Or at least I think that's the way I'm going to go with this. I might change my mind. Maybe I'll put heavy modular frames over on the other side. Not 100% sure, but yeah. So this is Phantom 2502, and please join me next time for a view of that stuff. Bye bye.